Here's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.